We'll guide you through how to fix a TikTok video posted but not showing on your profile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So you just went and posted a TikTok video and now you're finding that it's not showing up on your profile. This problem can be really annoying, so we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix it and get it showing. So make sure this full guide so you know what to do and follow it step by step. So first of all, if you just went and did this, it may still be uploading. If it's a long video and you've got a slow connection, do just be patient. And then hopefully it'll go and appear. What you can try doing is dragging down like so to go and refresh the page as well. Next, do just make sure that it hasn't gone in your drafts. So in your profile, you may have accidentally added it to your drafts and not posted it. I've done that before. So you can press profile in the bottom right and come into drafts. Just make sure you haven't gone and put it in there by accident. What you can also try doing is refreshing TikTok again by restarting it. So you want to go and swipe up from the bottom like so. Then you can go and swipe up on it like that. And then what you can do is try opening it up again. Wait for it to load. And you can then go to your profile in the bottom right and go and see if it's then appearing. Hopefully it is. If you're still finding that it isn't, the next thing you can try doing is going and seeing if the privacy has been set correctly. So what you can do is if you go just to the top of your feed and you go and see the row of different options, what you need to do is go and press the padlock icon. What may have happened is you went and posted it to only me, which means only you can go and see it and it's not then shown on your feed, even though you posted it. So you can go and press the padlock icon at the top here, and I can see some different videos here, which I've gone and posted, but they're not showing on my main profile. So you need to go and tap there. And so these videos are hidden from everyone else as well. If you want to then go and change this, you can go and tap one of them, and you can go and press the three dots in the bottom right, and you want to go and find the option at the bottom. You need to go and scroll along, and you need to go and find privacy settings. You can tap there, and you can then choose who can watch this video. So what you need to do is go and set it to everyone. Like that, then you can close this and swipe back. You should see that it's then removed from this page and you can get back to your main feed by pressing the button to the far left. And as you can see, that's now on my main profile and we've now got it showing. So hopefully that's now going to solve the problem. What you can also try doing is you can just try waiting in case the video is for some reason processing for a long time, and then hopefully it'll go and be added. What can sometimes be the case is that TikTok is just having a glitch, so you need to go and wait. They may go and fix it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day.